Overwhelmed? You're not alone. Life is busy. Stress is everywhere. Many people feel it. Anxiety and worry are common. We feel pressure to do more. It's hard to find peace. Guided meditation can help. It's a path to inner calm. Meditation is a powerful tool that has been practiced for thousands of years. It is a practice that helps you connect with your inner self and find a sense of calm and tranquility amidst the chaos of everyday life. Your guide to inner peace. Guided meditation is simple and accessible to everyone, regardless of experience level. It involves listening to a guide who helps you navigate through the meditation process, making it easier to focus and relax. It's about focusing your mind on the present moment. By doing so, you can let go of distractions and worries that often cloud your thoughts. This focus allows you to experience a deeper sense of awareness and clarity. You learn to observe your thoughts without judgment. This means acknowledging them as they come and go, without getting caught up in them. Over time, this practice can help you develop a more mindful and balanced approach to life. A guide leads you through the process, offering gentle instructions and encouragement. They help you stay on track and provide a sense of structure to your meditation practice. They use words and imagery to create a peaceful and calming environment. This can include visualizations of serene landscapes, soothing sounds, and positive affirmations that help you relax and let go of stress. It helps you relax and let go. Meditation reduces stress by lowering your heart rate and blood pressure, and by promoting a sense of well-being. It can also help you manage anxiety and improve your overall mental health. It calms your mind and body, allowing you to experience a state of deep relaxation. This can lead to better sleep, improved concentration, and a greater sense of inner peace. You'll feel more at peace, more centered, and more in tune with yourself. By incorporating guided meditation into your daily routine, you can cultivate a lasting sense of calm and balance in your life. So take a deep breath, find a comfortable position, and let the journey to inner peace begin. Stress shows up in many ways. You might feel overwhelmed. Focus can be a struggle. Sleep may be difficult. Relationships can be strained. Stress impacts our health. Meditation offers a solution. It teaches you to cope with stress. You'll find healthier ways to respond. Section 4. Meditation, how it works. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years, rooted in various cultures and traditions. It is a powerful tool for achieving mental clarity, emotional stability, and physical relaxation. But how exactly does it work? Meditation is about being present. It's about grounding yourself in the here and now, letting go of the past and not worrying about the future. This practice helps you to connect with your inner self and find a sense of peace and balance. You focus on your breath. Breathing is a fundamental aspect of meditation. By paying attention to each inhale and exhale, you anchor your mind and bring your awareness to the present moment. This simple act of focusing on your breath can have profound effects on your mental state. Thoughts come and go, you let them be. During meditation, it's natural for thoughts to arise. The key is not to engage with them, but to observe them without judgment. Let them pass like clouds in the sky. Deep breathing is key. It helps to calm the mind and reduce stress. It slows your heart rate. Your body relaxes. As you continue to breathe deeply and focus on the present, your heart rate begins to slow down. This physiological response helps to relax your body and mind. Visualization is powerful. Imagine a peaceful place. Visualization techniques can enhance the meditative experience. Picture yourself in a serene environment, such as a beach or a forest, and let the tranquility of that place wash over you. Feel the calmness wash over you. As you immerse yourself in this peaceful imagery, you'll start to feel a deep sense of calm and relaxation. Meditation is a journey, and with regular practice, you can cultivate a state of inner peace and well-being that extends beyond your meditation sessions into your daily life. Section 5. Your guided meditation journey begins now. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, close your eyes, focus on your breath. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Imagine a tranquil scene, a beach, a forest, a mountaintop. Feel the peace of this place. Section 6. Unlock your potential with meditation. Regular meditation is transformative. You'll experience less stress, Your mind will be clearer. Focus and concentration improve. You'll be more patient and understanding. Relationships will strengthen. Meditation brings inner peace. You'll feel more joy and contentment. Life becomes more fulfilling. Section 7. Share your meditation journey. Meditation is a deeply personal and transformative practice, yet it can also be a communal experience that brings people together. Start your meditation practice today. Experience the benefits firsthand. Whether you are a beginner or have been meditating for years, the journey is always evolving. Each session brings new insights and deeper understanding. Share your journey with others. When you share your experiences, you not only help yourself by reflecting on your progress, but you also inspire and support others on their path. Tell us how meditation has helped you. Have you noticed a change in your stress levels, your ability to focus, or your overall sense of well-being? Your story could be the encouragement someone else needs to start their own practice. What techniques resonate with you? There are many different styles and techniques of meditation, from mindfulness and loving kindness to transcendental and guided meditations. Sharing what works for you can help others find their own path. Let's learn and grow together. Explore more mindfulness content. Deepen your practice. Join workshops, read books, watch videos, and engage with the community. The more you learn, the more you can integrate meditation into your daily life. Embrace a life of peace and fulfillment. Meditation is not just a practice, but a way of life. It can bring a profound sense of peace, fulfillment, and connection to the world around you. Share your journey, and let's create a more mindful world together.